Nikki, Philips had an investor day today, and it has issued new targets, etc. Now, this is a company that had a very tough time back in the last decade, but is clawing its way back. And it had a new CEO a couple of years ago who sort of set out a new path. How is it doing on that path?
It's done quite well on the path so far, and it was quite a tough path. They set return on invested capital targets. This was in 2011 for 2013, so where we are now. They plan to cut costs quite sharply. I mean, there's a $1 billion plus cost saving program, over 6,000 jobs to go, and some rejigging of the portfolio of businesses that they hold. And they've pretty much delivered on that, with the result, of course, that investors were beginning to get more enthusiastic and were hoping for more when they came out with the next midterm targets as of today at the Investor Day. I think most people were expecting the margin target, and that's at the EBITDA level, to be around 11 to 13%. Now, and some people were up to 14% by 2016. What Philips has actually come out with is 11 to 12%. So it's a little bit softer than everyone expected, so the shares have fallen back. But if they make that, it will still be quite an achievement.
Right. Now, he's also offered them €1.5 billion of share buyback. I mean, is that a good idea? Doesn't he have anything else to do with the money?
Well, I know we don't like people buying back shares because we think it's sort of dearth of imagination. No, I think most people would be quite grateful for that. They don't want to see a lot of money wasted on acquisitions that don't pay off. Philips isn't ruling out bolt-on acquisitions, but it's got quite a tidy portfolio. It's very heavily into, on the one hand, consumer electrical equipment, healthcare, which is difficult in the US at the moment, but essentially, I mean, a good market. We're all getting older, and you know the need for much more sophisticated healthcare equipment is fairly obviously going to grow. And then it has the lighting side, which again is quite well tuned to cash in on people's desire for energy efficiency and so on. So I think if they went off, did a mega acquisition, which Mr. Van Houten is saying no to, it wouldn't be well received.
Okay. Well, Philips is at a very interesting point in its transition, and it has given a sweetener of €1.5 billion of a share buyback today, which will be executed over the next while. So let's see how they do in the future. Thanks, Nikki.